Want to tokenize your real estate and tap into new crypto revenue streams? Here's how in just a few simple steps. First, create a crypto wallet. MetaMask works well. Gather all necessary property documents. Next, submit your asset details, valuation, and proof of ownership through our listing request form. Don't forget to add the referrer's ETH address. Our asset onboarding committee will assess your application and confirm approval. Now, create an account on marketplace.oceanpoint.fi. Link your wallet and complete KYC verification. Once verified, your real estate is officially listed on our marketplace for investors to explore. Your BSPT tokens representing the property are then minted and sent to your wallet. You can now connect your wallet on app.oceanpoint.fi and stake your BSPT tokens in the asset owner pool. Just make sure you have enough ETH for transaction fees. And that's it. Your property is now tokenized and ready to earn additional income in crypto. Start your journey today with Oceanpoint. Visit oceanpoint.fi to get started.